Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best gifts for men is probably one of the most challenging yet rewarding shopping experiences, as finding that perfect item that speaks volumes about your appreciation and understanding of his tastes can feel like a quest for hidden treasure, whether you're celebrating a birthday, anniversary, holiday, or just want to show someone special how much you care. The right gift can create a lasting memory and strengthen your bond, making the effort to find something truly unique and thoughtful an investment in your relationship. Number 5. PONPUR Whiskey Stones Gift Set. Searching for a unique gift for the man in your life? Whether it's for his birthday, anniversary, or just because, this is sure to bring a smile to his face. If he loves whiskey, he'll adore this cool gadget. It's designed for those who appreciate the finer things and enjoy a good drink after a long day. Featuring a classic wood barrel design, these chilling stones are not only functional but also a stylish addition to any man cave. They offer a retro and chic aesthetic. Simply chill them in the fridge and add to his favorite bourbon. They keep the liquor perfectly cold without diluting its flavor, ensuring every sip is just right. Crafted from durable stainless steel, these stones are built to last. They are odorless, tasteless, and can be easily cleaned and reused for countless enjoyable moments. This set makes for a thoughtful and impressive gift for husbands, dads, brothers, and friends. It's an investment in enjoyment that you won't regret. We are committed to providing a heartwarming service. If you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, please reach out, and we'll make it right. What we like. If you're looking for a gift that offers a unique drinking experience, this is it. It keeps whiskey perfectly chilled without dilution, making it ideal for the connoisseur who appreciates the finer details. If your man enjoys bourbon and has a taste for classic decor, this set will elevate his man cave. What people say. They work well. I'm happy with how cold they keep the drink without it being watered down. Very unique. Great quality and keeps things from getting watered down. Excellent, easy to use and works really well. Was really cool to see it in action and of course the flavorful treat afterwards. Number 4. UMAID Himalayan Salt Block. Discover the unique flavor of Himalayan salt with this versatile block. It's perfect for grilling, cooking, and even serving your favorite dishes. This food-grade pink salt stone, set on a durable stainless steel plate, offers a healthy and flavorful way to prepare your meals. It's designed for convenience and exceptional taste. Looking for a special gift? This salt block is an ideal present for anyone who loves to cook, from professional chefs to home enthusiasts. It's a gift that keeps on giving flavor. Experience the subtle, natural seasoning that only pure Himalayan salt can provide. It enhances the taste of meats, seafood, vegetables, and more, creating memorable meals. Not only is it a fantastic cooking tool, but it also doubles as an elegant serving platter. Impress your guests by presenting your culinary creations directly on this beautiful salt block. Get inspired with the included recipe booklet, filled with delicious ideas to make the most of your new salt block. Unlock a world of culinary possibilities. What we like. For the man who loves to cook and experiment with flavor, this is an exceptional choice. It allows for grilling, cooking, and serving directly on the salt block, imparting a unique, subtle salty taste to food. If he enjoys hosting or trying new culinary techniques, this will be a standout addition to his kitchen. What people say. It definitely has both function and beauty. My hubby has had a lot of fun cooking with it and it makes grilled food so delicious. They do provide a bit of instruction for how to slowly warm and use the block, which is extra awesome. It retains heat really well because of the weight and thickness. I find it really easy to clean up after use too. Number 3. History Channel Trivia Game. Test your knowledge with the official History Channel Trivia Game. It's created in partnership with the History Channel, your trusted source for historical storytelling. Dive into over 2,000 questions that span human history and the pursuit of knowledge. You'll find questions on everything from ancient civilizations to modern events. It features 5 diverse categories: arts and culture, sports and recreation, science and technology, geography and landmarks, and people and events. This ensures everyone has a chance to shine. This game is perfect for family game nights, offering fun for adults and teens alike. It's great for gatherings, dinner parties, and friendly trivia challenges. Looking for a unique gift? It's a thoughtful present for dads, history buffs, and trivia fans. It's ideal for Father's Day, birthdays, or any celebration. With 2,000 questions and a wide range of topics, every game feels fresh and exciting. It's designed for 2+ players, ages 14 and up, with gameplay lasting 30 to 45 minutes. What we like. If you need a gift that sparks conversation and friendly competition, this trivia game is a winner. With over 2,000 questions across diverse categories, it's perfect for history buffs and families who enjoy learning together. If game nights are a staple in your household or you're looking for a gift that offers endless replayability, this is an excellent pick. What people say. The cards weren't filled softball-type questions you see in every game and trivia book. Lots of questions that made you think, Google and talk about after or even during the game. High-quality cards, stand up to plenty of play. Trivia is across very broad topics, there's something for everyone. The questions cover the range of difficulty levels. There is something here to challenge everyone. We love the rule of turning over a card at the beginning of the game to decide which question on each card to use. Since there are 6 questions to each card, you aren't throwing out the cards you use, like most trivia games. Number 2. WillsCoo Alcohol Infusion Kit. Unleash your inner mixologist and create unique, flavored spirits right at home. Our kit makes it easy to infuse any alcohol base with natural ingredients. Explore a world of flavor with 12 carefully selected natural infusion materials. Mix and match to craft your perfect taste, from simple to complex. The possibilities are endless. Craft a signature spirit with a single ingredient or blend multiple for a truly unique flavor profile. We even provide beginner-friendly recipe suggestions. Wow your friends and family with expertly crafted infused spirits and cocktails. Serve up delicious drinks that are sure to be a hit at any gathering. Tired of the same old options? Discover exciting new flavor combinations you won't find anywhere else. Elevate your drinking experience with unique, homemade infusions. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This kit comes in a beautiful package, making it an ideal present for birthdays, anniversaries, or any special occasion. Plus, the accessories are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. What we like. For the adventurous spirit who loves to craft their own unique beverages, this infusion kit is perfect. It allows for endless customization of spirits with natural ingredients, enabling the creation of signature cocktails. If he enjoys experimenting with flavors or wants to impress guests with homemade creations, this kit offers a fun and creative outlet. What people say. This is a great gift for men, it is very practical and useful. The product is well made and durable, and it looks very elegant. It is a perfect gift for any occasion, and the recipient will surely love it. Number 1. Custom Engraved Executive Pen Gift Set. Make any occasion special with a personalized gift. Add a name or message to create a truly thoughtful present, perfect for retirements, graduations, or client appreciation. Experience the luxury of this elegant brass pen. Its deep black lacquer finish with golden trim offers a sophisticated look and a substantial feel. Enjoy a smooth and effortless writing experience. The Twist Action ballpoint pen features a balanced feel and comes with refillable black ink. This set includes a matching paper accessory with gold accents. It's designed to complement the pen and enhance the executive look of any desk. Presented in a rigid, elegant gift box, this set is ready for gifting. It's the perfect choice for business occasions or any special celebration. What we like. If you're searching for a sophisticated and personal gift, this engraved executive pen set is ideal. The solid brass pen offers a smooth writing experience and can be personalized for a truly thoughtful touch. If he's a professional, a graduate, or someone who appreciates classic stationery, this set provides an elegant statement piece for his desk. What people say. Both the pen and letter opener have a nice weight to them and look classy. The pens write smooth without clumping. The pen feels great in my hand, heavy and solid. The engraving is of good quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.